Okay, so this video is going to talk about how to make a header and add page numbers to your writing. Right now I have an essay that I am currently working on, and at the top I've put my name, my class, the date, and the title. Those four things will not appear on any other page of the text, and they shouldn't. What does go in my header for MLA format is my last name and my page number. So to get to the header, I'm going to double click up here at the top of the page, and that will open up the header. You'll see that my toolbar has now changed to Design for Header and Footer Tools. I'm going to select page number, top of page, plain number 3. That puts the page number in, and then I'm going to type my last name and make sure that it is Times New Roman 12-point font. By using that preset, that page number preset, it ensures that every page will have the correct page number. Anything that I type into this header will appear on every page. That's anything that I physically type, not the preset that I use from this toolbar. So if I didn't use that, if I didn't click insert page number and instead I deleted that and I just put the number 1, well then on page 2 it's going to say number 1. And if I go to change that on page 2, it's going to change it on page 1. I have to do Design, page number, top of page, plain number 3. I don't want to use any of these other fancy options that say page or are in color. I want to use plain number 3 because it's aligned with the right hand side. And to get out of the header, I double click. That's it. That's all you have to do.